Taylor and Jenna at Living Sky Cafe on 3rd Avenue in Saskatoon. We're just here with Chuck, of course, the marketing guru on that side of the camera. Just came in, had a bite to eat. I had a Cobb salad. It was pretty awesome. Chuck, what did you have?
Chicken cordon bleu sandwich or burger, I think.
Yep.
Cool. So how's things going after Christmas and New Year's?
Good. We made it through, thank goodness. Yeah, it was a busy season for us, but it did us well. And then January has started off
very strong.
Yeah.
We're very excited for this year. We've got a lot of good things going on already, so excited to see where it takes us from here.
Right on. So you guys just recently expanded into the other side there, right?
Yes.
So what was that room called again?
We call it the dark side.
The dark
It
side.
doesn't really have a name though.
We were going to film in there, but it was a little too dark, I think, for us to get the...
Yeah, it's like a nice private area that we can host events and like meetings.
Corporate meetings for up to about 20 people. Yeah. We've got a projector and screen available as well. So
yeah, we do a lot of business meetings, things like that. Yeah.
Cool. Then the main restaurant here holds how many people?
50.
50 and 30 max over there.
Yeah.
It's very cozy in here. Yeah, we'll get you guys some pictures on that.
Yeah, for sure.
You guys do a lot of catering, you said?
We do a ton of catering. Yeah, we're definitely a cater-heavy establishment. We do lots of breakfast catering, lunch, corporate, private events, fine dining catering. So yeah, we're pretty versatile in what we like to do. But yeah, it's a good time.
Cinnamon buns.
Yes. So many.
She's trying to get me to take a couple home with me, so no, that's really
It's
good
the
too.
best.
What is your kind of like namesake, I guess, here? Like what would be your...
Breakfast
stuff. Yeah.
Breakfast.
All
yeah.
day, every day we have breakfast.
Yeah. Lots of like, we do a beer cheese, and our holly is like a little bit different than other people's traditional hollies, but we find that it's very well received. So yeah, I would definitely say breakfast. We make like our own English muffins, and we do all of our own bread and stuff like that. So
Yeah, it looks delicious.
Yeah.
It comes up on my Facebook feed
Yeah.
all the time, so
that's the best.
yeah, no calories, eh?
No,
Yes.
none.
Like, do you guys change your, is it the menu set, or you guys change your menu with seasons? Do you add stuff, or
Yeah.
did you add anything recently that we can talk about, anything? or-
Well, we do a daily special, daily lunch special, which is always really fun. We like to try and be pretty creative with that. But we kind of try and keep our menus like pretty,
Fresh.
Yeah.
We
ingredients
change it once every couple months. Just
Yeah.
to switch out some things.
yeah. But we usually like to keep it pretty straightforward.
Cool.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let you do kind of, I'm just gonna let you do the talking with everything.
This is our front bar area. This is Hannah. She's serving up some cheesecakes. Hi, Hannah. Hello.
Anna served us today, you did an awesome job. Chuck's gonna tip you $100.
Woo!
Wow, what a nice.
Hannah says thank you. Okay, so we'll start off with our dark side here. Give you guys a little peek at what it looks like. So we can set it up in like a couple different ways. You can do like U-shape, banquet style, boardroom.
Where'd you get all the paintings? Are they...
This is all provided by Rouge Gallery. So she was initially in this space when we came in and did our very first renovation. She's also our landlord, Wanda. We love
Well,
her.
look at that.
Yeah, she's awesome. And so yeah, she provides us with all of the art that we have on all the walls in here.
Cool.
So, yeah, she
Is
changes it out for us seasonally.
Are they for sale then? Or
They are
just-
all for sale. Yeah, you betcha. So all of it's up on Rouge Gallery website. So anybody that's inquiring, we always just send them there. She's got it all on there.
Yeah, funky paintings for sure.
Yeah, they're super awesome.
Cool, yeah. Hey,
Yeah, so that's this guy. Okay. On this way. Into the old kitchen. So we've got, this is basically like dry storage, prepping area.
This was part of our expansion as well.
Yeah.
So we gained from this way onward.
Yeah.
did you guys have the upstairs before that?
We did not. No.
Oh yeah, because we moved that, so we moved the big
Yeah. That
heavy
oven.
oven up the stairs there.
That
Yeah,
video.
we'll get a shot of that.
Yeah, no, you should put that video in there too.
Yeah, maybe we'll put some grunting and groaning from moving that video in there.
Yeah, so this is into the old kitchen here. We've got our cold side. We've got, this is Austin and Aaron.
Hi guys.
They're working hard, working hard. So yeah, over and on that side. You guys also sold us this one.
Yeah, that was a beast as well.
Yeah, this puppy, she's all electric, she's a good time. It does us justice and we love it.
Yeah, it looks like we take really good care of it.
Yeah, yeah, we enjoy it.
Got some eggs on the go.
Yeah, totally. So yeah, then we're over here, and then we'll head on upstairs. Just a little tiny, small office area. We can keep dining there. So this is the one where we seat about 50 people. We rent out for like lots of different groups, lots of birthday parties, anniversaries. We've had a wedding in here. They got married right here.
Oh, cool.
It was really adorable. Yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah. So and then just the upstairs. Yeah. Cool. So peek. Awesome.
Yeah, we have to tip the oven like
Yeah.
it was quite a battle to get the
Yeah, so and then this is the upstairs. We do all of our bread making up here, all of our desserts. We do lots of catering up here. So that's the mega top that you sold us as well.
yeah, the table too.
Yeah. All yeah, these guys. That one, you guys moved upstairs. That was the big move.
Yeah, that was a heavy one. I hope
That
that
was a
thing
heavy
never
one.
dies.
Yeah, no.
We'll have to bring it back down.
Yes. So this is our little space, and then Bunny's got her little office over there, which is really nice. Yeah. Just,
Are you guys
Sure.
both in? Are you guys both like chefs, I guess, or like you guys just?
Nobody has any official chef training.
Yeah.
But she's the head of the kitchen.
So where do you get your
Yeah.
inspiration from then? Do you have like a famous celebrity chef or some
No.
like a parent or like grandma or somebody that you like?
Yeah, my dad was a big influence on my culinary skills. He thought it was really important to teach me how to cook things at a young age. So,
Yeah.
and then it was kind of the only thing that I really took a large interest in throughout high school. And then when I had my first opportunity to go into the Mendel art gallery, I just, I kind of jumped on it. It was quite the blessing of a place. So it was somewhere that we could start, and Jenna came over and worked there with me for a little bit, and
Left to pursue other
Yeah.
things, and then she called me just before Christmas
Yeah.
and said, "Do you want to quit your job and come open a restaurant?"
yeah,
Yeah,
Right on.
absolutely,
I do.
Yeah.
So then we, just kind of went and game planned and renovated with my parents and her boyfriend, my husband. Yeah, so it's a real family affair.
Yeah.
Well, good.
Too. My mom and dad are still working here. They work on the weekends, so
Yeah.
they're a huge part of it. They're like the saving grace all the time. We call them.
They're the only reason we get days off.
Yeah, they
that's-
are
Yeah.
truly. So no, it's really awesome though. Our staff
And it's just
is-
growing amazing.
Tenfold.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
really great. I don't think we ever thought we'd be where we are right now after just not even 2 years open. So it's been
Yeah.
a really great experience.
Yeah, you guys got lots of good reviews,
Yeah.
even on the buy and sell page, the good, the bad, the ugly for
Yeah.
restaurants. You guys get
Yeah.
shout outs there all the time and
Yeah.
stuff like that too.
I
so.
feel like those are just all of our friends and our family, but we appreciate them so
Totally.
much.
And the odd one.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah,
So yeah, guys, come down. What's the address on 3rd Ave?
245.
245 3rd Ave South, Saskatoon.
Betcha.
Taylor and Jenna, right?
Yeah.
That's good. I got the names right. And yeah, pop in and see you guys. What time do you close? You're not open too late, are you?
We're open 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday, and then 9 to 3 on Saturday and Sunday.
Cool.
Yeah.
Right on. Thank
Cool.
you guys for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Appreciate it.
coming.
Yes, for sure.